Hey guys, today we are making queso frito. Essentially, this is fried cheese cubes, and we're serving it with a super easy, super delicious guava sauce. So I like to start by making this guava sauce just so that it's ready and I can enjoy it right as the cheese is coming out of the fryer. So we'll start by dicing up some guava paste and adding that to a pan with some water. I've found that the smaller you dice up the cubes of guava paste, the faster this sauce will come together. So maybe cut your slices a little bit smaller than mine and just simmer over medium to medium low heat until the guava starts to dissolve into that water. You can always add more water if you feel like it's getting a little too thick or too reduced. And you'll just keep an eye on it, keep a close eye on it because it can burn pretty quickly because of all of the sugar in the guava paste. And then I like to add some lemon juice at the end just to really complement those sweet and kind of sour flavors. And stir that in before turning off the heat and just setting this aside until we're ready to enjoy it. Okay, from here we're ready to start on our queso frito. I like using this tropical brand of queso de freir. I think this is like their own trademarked or copyrighted, I don't know. It's their cheese that they've created that works really well for this, but there are lots of different varieties of cheese that you can fry, like halloumi, that works for this recipe. So use what you can find, but definitely do your research and make sure you're finding like a drier cheese that isn't soft. Usually these cheeses will have some information about being like freir cheese on the packaging. And from there, we're just gonna cube these up into kind of like bite-sized pieces. It's really up to you how you'd like to slice them, but I love this cube shape. I think it's easy and really fun to eat. And then this step is really important. I find that drying off the cheese cubes before frying them is crucial in preventing a lot of splatter and honestly just keeping things safe in the kitchen. So just use a paper towel or a clean kitchen towel and dry off the cheese cubes as well as possible before frying. So we're going to use a neutral cooking oil with a high smoke point. I'm using canola oil here, and we're going to heat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit before adding our cheese cubes. You can see I'm only doing 1 cube here in this shot, but you could do like 3 to 4. It's really going to depend on the size of your pot. Just make sure you're not overcrowding the pot. And in a matter of minutes, you should have golden brown, beautiful cheese cubes like this. You can transfer them to a paper towel lined plate to drain off any of that excess oil before plating them up in your bowl or plate alongside that guava sauce, and you're ready to enjoy. Now, if you don't have the time or don't enjoy guava sauce or you can't find guava paste, no worries. There's so many different options for dipping sauces here. Really, anything that you would enjoy with cheese will go great here. So like a spicy mayo could be really good, a mustard sauce, even like a simple hot sauce I would really enjoy. So get creative and use what you've got. I hope you give this a try and enjoy. Buen provecho.